everybody, welcome back to a new weekend vlog. This weekend I wanted to bring you along with me. Very little planned in, zero responsibilities. My parents have gone on a little road trip, something like that. They've taken my dogs with them, having the time of my life, just being like completely left alone to my own devices this weekend. So I am gonna have a weekend of organising. It's arrived! Oh god, my Hawaii is way too small for this. Literally bang on time. Nice one, guys. So I'm going to have a weekend of organising my life. I thought that this would be a really good video to film and just kind of show you guys what I do on my very quiet weekends and how I prep for the week ahead. So I'm going to be prepping my food and my outfits and also doing some cleaning as well. This video is sponsored by Hellofresh, so they are helping me do my meal prep for the week. I've used Hellofresh before in the past, just generally, and quite often. I think I've spoken about this before, but I do a meal prep on a Sunday for the week ahead, which we'll be doing tomorrow. So if you don't know what Hellofresh is, it's like a meal subscription service. So you go on the website and you select the package that you want. So I have 3 meals in my box, and it comes with all of the ingredients and then a recipe slip, so you can make the food fresh yourself. And it's a really flexible subscription as well, that you get to choose your meals and it can be as and when you want it. It's really great for people like me that don't really know how to cook because it basically just comes with the recipe slip and I follow that. I have all the ingredients, which I am like the worst person in the world for missing out ingredients, so this kind of sitch is perfect for me. So yeah, that's going to be going on this weekend. So far today I'm coming at you, it's about 2-3 in the afternoon, can't remember the time. I could just check. What is the time? 2:30. So far today I have cleaned the flat. The first thing I did when I got up this morning was I fake tanned. I might talk you through that in this vlog as well, because that's something I generally tend to do either on a Friday night when I do my cleaning. I kind of alternate the days that I clean. It's either a Friday or a Saturday. I always fake tan whilst I clean because I find that sitting around in my tan is not great for it being like patchy and stuff like that. So I like to just be moving about and be in like loose clothing, and literally my flat to tidy and clean takes about 3 hours to do really well. So it coincides perfectly because I have the Bondi Sands 3-hour express tan. So I've done that so far today. It's all been washed off. I have showered, I have makeup on, I have actual nice clothing on versus the t-shirt that I was hoovering around in earlier, and I was like, you guys don't need to see that. Longest intro in the world over. That is what I've been up to so far. That is what we were doing this weekend. I hope you guys enjoy it. Do let me know if you want to see more weekend organising or just general organising videos from me in the future. So this is the box that my HelloFresh order has arrived in. There's 3 meals in here for me to cook over the course of the week. So what I tend to do is on a Sunday I'll either cook all of them in one go, or I'll just cook one of them. And then that will last me a couple of days, and then every couple of days I'll then cook another one that will last me another couple of days. So I just kind of see how much time I've got each Sunday and just whether I can be bothered, you know. So I'm gonna get this unpacked and into my fridge. They put it in like bags that help keep it cold for longer, so sometimes this sits in my post room if I'm not in when it's delivered. They just brought it right up to my front door just now, but it's been in the post room before, and it keeps there really well because they package it in a way that it just keeps itself cool. There's lots of like ice bags and cooling stuff and things like that. So this is what is inside my box. I have the recipe cards, so you can see here the recipes that I have selected. This is going to be so great. This is the one that I am most excited about. Oh, it looks so good. Might have to cook that one tomorrow. And this is what the ingredients look like on the back, in case anyone is wondering. So you have very few steps. All of these have like so few steps. It's really easy. Over here we have my ingredients for each of these recipes, and you can see there's a little number in the corner of each of these, and that correlates to the bag. This is my fridge bag, so this is all of the stuff that like needs to be kept in the fridge, and in here are more like dry ingredients. So I just thought I'd interrupt this vlog of heavy organisation and, you know, normal things. I've been opening some of my mail that I got today. Castaway Beauty have sent me some wigs, and I just want you to know that I am having so much fun right now. I have tea. one is for a tutorial, or both for a tutorial, but then this one is also just to test out the blonde life, as the blonde life did not choose me. I'm trying to figure out whether it is for me. I still want the dark route, which is why I really like this wig. If I were to go blonde, I want to keep my dark route. I think I look right because of my dark eyebrows. I look right with like some darkness up here. I don't think that's going to be going away anytime soon. Just thought I'd let you know that I have been very distracted from doing my next task, which was my laundry, which I did start doing and have not finished because of the wigs. Thank you, Castaway Beauty, because they very kindly sent them to me and I love it. Look at that. Fresh bedding, fresh bedroom, all ready for next week. Did a good job today. Very, very happy with my progress. I am just gonna chill this evening. I've got a friend coming around for pizza. I'll see you guys in the morning for more organisation. I'm very excited about tomorrow because we're gonna plan my outfits, and then it's a whole foodie day, so it's just like the best day, basically. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Goodbye. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. I am very, very sleepy today. Pizza night last night went on for much longer than I anticipated. I'm tired. I'm also about to sneeze. Does anyone else really hate sneezing? I can't. It hurts me. Anyway, I'm just chilling on my sofa. I'm waiting for Lauren to come pick me up because we are going for breakfast. Basically, I've been banging on about going to Bill's for about 2 weeks now, and we were going to go on Valentine's Day, but then we realised it was Valentine's Day and that we did not want to be surrounded by cute couples, because that is not the life for us. So yeah, we're going for breakfast at Bill's, and we're timing it hopefully so that I can get breakfast and halloumi sticks, which is goals. So yeah, that is like the slightly unexpected twist to my morning. Yeah, I will bring you along to breakfast and then we shall get back here. We'll get cooking and outfit planning for the week. I'm excited to get my meals prepped, get my outfits prepped. Prep. How many times could I say prep in this video? Prep. Stolen Lauren's sunglasses. I am really enjoying them. What's that, puns? I am back. I am caffeined up to the max. I'm gonna cook first and then we'll do outfits later. FYI, I've had a little bit of a change of outfit because it is so boiling right now. It's actually insane. I can't believe that it's not even March and it's so warm. My balcony doors are open. Oh, so nice. I've still got a Christmas tree, don't judge me. It actually feels like summer. Like, I just walked into my bedroom to change and the window is open in there, which is mad. I never have the window open in there. It feels like summer, like, you know when you're inside but you can hear the outside? It's such a summery feeling, I love it. But anyway, I have my ingredients laid out. Do not worry, for those of you that are germophobic, my surfaces are freshly cleaned. In fact, they are so clean that if someone dared me to lick them, I would. That'd be weird, but I would. So just to remind everyone, this is what we are cooking. This kind of thing is my jam. I really like the fact that on Hellofresh you have like 18 different meals to choose from. You can also break it down to whether you eat meat or you're pesky or you're veggie. I don't have any dietary requirements on this one, but in the past I have done both pesky and veggie ones as well. These are our ingredients. I really love the fact that everything comes like pre-portioned out, so that there's like minimal food waste. It's just, it works really nicely for me because I hate wasting food so much. too shabby. It's very rare that I make a recipe and it actually looks something like the picture. Not too shabby at all. Not too shabby for Rachel. I am gonna go and enjoy this now. Oh my god, I can't wait. It's so good. I've also got this for the leftovers. I actually might need the bigger size. I have quite a few of these. These are from IKEA, and they're really, really handy for putting your leftovers in. And obviously the Hellofresh stuff does cook for a few people, so I always find that these kind of things are ideal. It's really, really great for meal prep. So even if you are like thinking about it, but you're like, oh, I'm a single person, what do I do with all the food? Perfect, look at that. So now that is all done, I'm gonna plan my outfits for the next week. So I basically screenshot a lot of my favorite outfits from various different Instagram accounts, so it can be like street style stuff. At the moment there's a lot of like London Fashion Week type things that I'm really enjoying. So what I do is I tend to screenshot a lot of them and I keep them on this app that I use called Trello, which is like an organizational app. And I always have like my videos that I'm working on there, and if there's a what I wore in a week, then these photos will go under that, and if not, then it will just be like your outfits for this week, and I'll have them like screenshotted. So for example, there's one that I have from Amelia Taylor. I really, really like her. I don't wear like the outfit in the exact same way, but it just kind of gives me an idea of maybe colors that I want to mix, prints and textures, or silhouettes. Sometimes it can be kind of all of them, and sometimes it's just like one or two. And then what I do is I come in here and I just sort it all out. What I will probably do is put it here in my wardrobe, so that when I slide the wardrobe door open, that is just there ready for me to reach for, and I'll do them in kind of like date order as well, so from like Monday to Friday, chronological order. Okay, so this is my dividing point. I don't know why I hang my dressing gowns up, ignore me. So this is what I have so far for this week. It's a really interesting colour palette actually. It's not as neutral as it normally is. I have a few options in here. So you might have seen me join two skirts onto a hanger. I can't decide which skirt I'm gonna want to wear this week. My money's on this one, just because I feel like I'm always drawn back to it. But what I like to do when I'm planning my outfits is try and integrate something that I haven't had the chance to wear too much yet into the outfit rotation that week, just to make sure it gets worn, try something new. And I do have some old favourites in here as well. So this jumper is a staple of mine. It's an ASOS high neck roll neck thing, and I generally tend to wear it with these trousers. So that is like an outfit that I know works for the week. So there's a day when I have meetings, so I wear either the roll neck and the skirt, or I might choose to wear it with trousers. If I'm having a confidence crisis, I'll go back to something I know works really, really well. So yeah, those are my kind of smarter looks for the week. Then I have a couple of looks that involve my Zara Mom Jeans, which you will have seen me wear a million times. Basically, I've been wearing this with where is it? With this shirt from Zara. But I thought I'd switch it up and go for a silk shirt instead, so I'll wear this open over the jeans with like some kind of body underneath. And then I also have the plan to wear my jeans with this white shirt, which I've had from Topshop for a while. I've seen a look that kind of uses it tied up, so I've popped that in as another option for a different day, because I will obviously like rewear my jeans throughout the week. There's a look with these jeans and just like a crop top that I want to wear, I think maybe on like a Sunday or something for brunch. And then this long coat, which is also from Zara. We're very Zara heavy this week. You've seen this quite a few times now. Then I have a thing on Sunday, which I think is going to be quite smart. So I've picked this skirt from Zara, which is like a mini skirt, but then it's got a longer skirt at the back and around the sides. So I think this is going to work really nicely. And then over the top, I'll show you this blazer, which I have from Topshop. Needs a little bit of a lint roll, but that's fine. I want to wear it with just like a body underneath or something. I want to wear this over the top, and I just think it's going to look really cool. Then I have this outfit, which I don't know if it will make the cut. I wanted to add it in. I haven't worn this skirt yet. It's from Topshop. It's one of their midi skirts, and I thought it could be quite cool with a t-shirt just kind of tucked into it. I'm gonna see how I feel throughout the week, because I think it could look really nice. But I do also feel like this skirt is destined for something better than a t-shirt. I just don't know what it is yet. So we have kind of like a rough 7 outfits penciled in, but I'm going to need more than that because obviously one of them is an evening outfit, some of them are maybes, so I would like to have maybe 3 more like good solid, 2 more solid, 3 more outfits kind of in there. I also am going to be filming a Zara haul this week. It's down there. I do have some options in that, but I want to film the haul first, figure out what I like, figure out what I'm keeping. But yeah, so there might be some bits from that kind of work their way into my outfits this week as well, but I feel like I've got a really good basis to start off with, so I'm very, very happy. Hello, a little bit later. I look like Santa. So I am just getting ready for bed. For some reason, I really like to edit. If I have to edit on a Sunday, I like to edit in bed, and I can't get into bed unless I'm actually ready for bed. I can't get into bed with makeup on, I can't get into bed if I haven't had a shower and stuff. That is what I'm doing. We're doing some TLC right now. I currently have the Origins Out of Trouble mask on my face, prepping my skin for the upcoming week because I woke up with like quite a few spots weirdly here, so I'm just kind of gonna try and take those down, sort them out before the week is up. And then I'm also gonna put one of these masks on after whilst I shower. So we have the Antipodes Aura Manuka Honey Mask and then the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. So they're both like very moisturising. I also just thought that I would show you the tan that I use. I'm just knocking everything over. This is the one I was talking about yesterday. It's the Bondo Sands Self Tanning Foam 1 Hour Express. I usually leave this on for about 3 to 4 hours depending on how long it takes me to clean. During the summer I do 2 coats, during the winter just 1 will do. This is me kind of like second day, yeah. And I just kind of buff it on in circular motions. I filmed a little bit of that, so I'll insert that here. But everyone asked me to talk about my tanning routine. I literally do it like once a week. I've got a party next Saturday, so I will pop this on Friday and I'll look all nice and bronzed for that. And that 1 week, like every kind of, because I don't really do much on a Friday, normally I have friends around for like pizza and stuff. Fridays or Saturday mornings are normally perfect for me for tanning, so that is what I use. I don't really do anything special to tan, so this is my beauty prep for the week ahead. So it is now 10:30. It's kind of late, slightly later than I would sometimes do this, but this is generally my Sunday night routine. Sometimes this can be like 2 in the morning, sometimes it's like 8 PM at night, but I generally sit, go through my calendar, look at what I'm doing, look at what my team needs to do. So what I do is I just sit and make sure that lots of things that need to be done by like Monday morning have been done, lots of things that need to be done tomorrow morning are on my list. I go through Lois's list as well and just kind of add little bits in ready for tomorrow, just in case I'm kind of like on a call or whatever. When she starts work she can look at that. That is basically it. That is my last bit of organisation for the week and I love it. Just starts Monday morning off so right. Some people just wake up and they know what they're doing. I don't, so this just gets me off on the right track. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if you would like more organisation videos, whether you'd like more like outfit planning videos, like a full feature on that. Also, if you're interested in trying Hellofresh, they are offering 50% off your first and second box with the code MakeItFreshSuzie, so I will link to that in the info box below and put the code in there and links to everything that I've talked about. Thank you so much to Hellofresh for sponsoring this video. I am going to go now. I hope you're all having the best day. My dry little face needs some moisturiser and some sleep. So I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.